Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting equation involving the imaginary unit iota, which is equal to the square root of -1. So in our today's video, we're going to find that real value for x that will satisfy this equation. I to the power of x is equal to I times x. So let's get started. Let us begin with the right hand side. The right hand side will have I multiplied by x. This is equal to, from the left hand side, I raised to the power of x. Now let us divide both sides by I to the power of x. Right? So here we're going to have I multiplied by x multiplied by this one here, which is 1 over I raised to the power of x. So this will be equal to this here is 1, right? So we have 1. Now let us divide both sides by this I here. Okay, so this I will cancel this I here. Then here we have x multiplied by, let us record this property, 1 over a raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of -n. So 1 over I to the power of x will become I raised to the power of -x. So this is equal to, from here, remember that I squared is equal to -1. So we have 1 over I here, 1 over I. If you multiply by I over I, you get 1 times I is I over I times I is I squared, which is -1. So this will give us -I. So the right hand side will become -I. So what are we going to do next? For this part here, let us recall the following. We know that a raised to the power of b is equal to e raised to the power of b times the ln of a. This part here will be e raised to the power of -x times the ln of I multiplied by x from here. So this is equal to -I. Now we need to make the power of e equal with this expression here. So the only slight difference here is the negative natural log of I. So let us multiply both sides by the negative natural log of I. So we have e raised to the power of -x times the natural log of I multiplied by, so we have -x here times the natural log of I, right? So this will be equal to -I times negative natural log of I will give us I times the natural log of I. So now from here, this one here, we can actually rewrite it as e raised to the power of the ln of I, and here we have the ln of I. For the left hand side, e raised to the power of -x times the ln of I, and here we have -x times the ln of I. So what are you thinking? The Lambert-Erbij function, right? You get it right. So recall that the Lambert-Erbij function of x times e raised to the power of x is just equal to x. You can see that this power here is equal with this expression, and here this is equal with this, here this is equal with this. So when you take the Lambert-Erbij function on both sides, so the left hand side will simplify to -x times the natural log of I. This will be equal to the right hand side simplifies to natural log of I. Divide both sides by the negative natural log of I. Negative cancel negative, natural log of I cancel natural log of I. So here we have our solution. X will be equal to, this cancel this, leaving us with -1. Oh, wow. So x is real. Amazing. Thank you for watching. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. You can like, comment, and share.